everybody. You can actually get my face in this, you know. Yeah. Okay, so this is something I have been looking at for about a year and thinking of buying, but I got an Amazon gift card and I was just like, what the heck, I'm gonna get it. Now, not many people know this. Oh, I don't need my knife. Cool. Not many people know this, but I am a huge fan of the Aliens franchise. And last year, in honor of the 30th anniversary of the 1986 release of the movie Aliens, they released the 30th anniversary edition, which has all kinds of awesome stuff they put back into the movie. This is actually really funny because, like, I was 7 years old when this movie came out, and this is actually my first real true horror film that scared the crud out of me. So, without further ado, let's open this bad boy. Let's hope I don't cut it. I have the biggest hot love for this movie. The special features include audio commentary by director James Cameron, cast and crew, introduction by James Cameron, special edition only, final theatrical isolated score by James Horner, original isolated score by, composer's original isolated score by James Horner, and deleted and extra scenes. I'm sorry, this movie was the one that was like, oh my god, this is the coolest movie ever, the first time I saw it. And I was just like, oh, I mean, that scene where she comes out of, like, when the elevator opens and she's got the gun and you just know you don't want to mess with this woman. So anyhow, without further ado, it does come in this really nice slipcase. And you've got the Queen Alien, which was the first time we'd actually ever seen, like, a hierarchy in the xenomorphs. And we have Aliens. I actually want the 18-inch pewter statue of the Queen Alien. And when we open it, oh, there's codes here. I don't want to. There's actually a digital HD download, so I don't want to give that away.
Save the QR code for me.
Yeah, and then there's a instantly stream for a limited time only. It's another special feature. So that's actually really cool. And here is the Blu-ray, which I'm really looking forward to looking at. So that is cool. Deleted and extended scenes. Okay, so here it is. We have art cards and the illustrated comic reprint. Oh, there's Vasquez, there's Hicks, there's Hudson. Game over, man, game over. This time it's war. That tagline, I mean, when I saw this when I was a kid, it scared the crap out of me. But, okay. Aliens, 30 Years of Terror. Oh, Dark Horse Comics. This is actually probably the original concept art from the comic. Yeah, it is. These are actually the original covers from the comic book series, which is really cool. This is really neat. The chest burster. This is just neat. See? That's actually a really cool picture. I would like that as a big poster. I don't know why.
You don't want your kids seeing this.
The Queen Alien. When she goes to rescue, when she's on the ship and the Queen Alien is like on the ship and kills Bishop or rips the android Bishop in half and she comes out and she's like, get away from her, you bitch. Yeah. And this is just cards with the concept art from the movie. Oh, I think this is the landscape of LV-426, which is the planet that this all takes place on. The alien and aliens. Got a person cocooned for impregnation. Oh, you got one of the colonial marines here. That's actually really cool. One thing, too, about this movie that I really thought was interesting is that James Cameron, when he went to make this movie, his budget was so small that he only had enough money to make 6 of the alien costumes because they spent so much developing the Queen Alien. that they had to use camera angles to make it look like there was like an entire army of aliens, which was really neat. That's a really neat little fun fact. That's actually cool where Ripley's fighting the Queen Alien in the power loader. So anyhow, that is my geeky moment right there. I'm totally excited to have this. I'm going to probably watch it later. It's rated R, and I think it's a little too scary for Pikachu still. I mean, it scared the crap out of me at 7 years old. Imagine what it would do to Pikachu. So I'd never get him out of my bed. Anyhow, thank you for watching, and have yourselves a great day. Bye.
Bye.